just
Wait, I'm not ready.
I know, I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna see.
Hi guys, it's me, Mara. This is Lluvia. We're doing a Would You Rather. Would you rather lose all your money and valuables or all the pictures you have taken? All the pictures. Oh wait.
Yeah, all the pictures.
All the
'cause,
pictures.
Like, money's like worth a lot.
Yeah.
Would you rather go to jail for 4 years for something you didn't do, or get away with something horrible you did but always live in fear of being caught?
Live in fear.
Yeah, me too, because I wouldn't want to go.
It's a waste of my time.
Would you rather accidentally be responsible for the death of a child, or accidentally be responsible for the deaths of 3 adults? 3 adults.
Death of a child.
Would you rather your shirts be always 2 sizes too big or 1 size too big?
Big, yeah. I
Yeah,
always
'cause
wear
they're
big shirts anyways.
Yeah, they're oversized. Would you rather be alone for the rest of your life, or always be surrounded by annoying people?
Annoying people, because there's no point of you.
Plus, I'm already surrounded with annoying people at walking.
Oh my god, yes.
Would you rather use social media sites / apps again, or never watch another movie or TV show? I would never watch a movie or a TV show.
Yeah, I don't even watch TV anyways.
Yeah, I only watch Netflix sometimes.
That's still TV.
But like sometimes, I prefer social media.
Yeah.
Would you rather have an easy job working for someone else, or work for yourself but work incredibly hard?
Work for someone else.
Yeah, same. Would you rather be completely invisible for 1 day, or be able to fly for 1 day?
Fly. Dude, we could go.
Invisible.
No, we could go so many places and we could fly.
But then invisible, that's cool. Okay, I would choose flying.
I don't
flying, 'cause
know.
then you can just
but
like,
if you're invisible, you can get like in a random person's car.
yeah, and you can just get rides everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be better. Okay, yeah, invisible. Would you rather be poor but help people, or become incredibly rich by hurting people?
Second one.
That makes you sound like a really bad person.
I'm already mean to everyone anyways.
I would prefer to be poor.
Actually, yeah.
Would you rather live without the internet, or live without AC and heating?
Without the internet.
Really? I prefer
Yeah.
living without AC
Dude,
or heating.
no.
Would you rather find your true love, or a suitcase with $5 million inside?
True
A
love.
suitcase.
What's the wrong with true love?
A suitcase.
There's no point of living if you don't have true love.
There's some people that die without anyone.
I would hate that.
Okay, a suitcase with $5 million. Would you rather be able to teleport anywhere, or be able to read minds?
Teleport anywhere.
I don't even want to know what people
Teleport
think.
anywhere.
Would you rather be feared by all, or loved by all?
Loved by all.
Yeah, what kind of question? Would you rather be able to use a touch screen, or never be able to use a keyboard or mouse?
Touch screen.
Mouse.
What? I'm confused.
I don't know. Probably be able to use a touch screen.
It could be so much easier. What the heck?
I know.
You could just.
I
Like,
said I would prefer.
Oh.
Yeah. Here, you want to read more now?
Oh no,
I can't.
Dude, I'm a horrible reader.
So am I.
Would you rather be able to control fire or water? Water, because I
Fire.
hate water. I hate water.
You
so
hate
much.
water?
Yes. I told you my fear is drowning, like on bridges.
Oh yeah.
Would you rather be unable to search? Wait, dude. Okay. Would you rather give up bathing for a month or give up the internet for a month?
Bathing. Oh wait.
No,
wait.
the internet.
Wait. I thought you meant bathing as in like swimming.
No, like taking a shower.
Oh, okay.
I would
wait
have-
for how long?
A month.
Okay, yeah.
I would.
I
give
could
up
live
internet.
without the internet for 1 month.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. I thought you meant
Rather be beautiful / handsome, but
handsome.
but S word, or intelligent. Would you rather never be able to eat meat or never be able to eat vegetables?
Meat.
Well, I'm vegetarian, so.
That's the funniest joke I've ever heard.
heard.
I would prefer not to eat meat because I barely even eat meat.
Would you rather be married to a 10 with a bad personality or a 6 with an amazing personality?
6 with an amazing personality.
Would you rather kill one innocent person or 5 people who committed minor crimes? People who committed crimes.
5 people who committed crimes because they actually deserve it. I'm just kidding.
Would you rather smell like poop and not know it, Roscoe? Or constantly be smelling poop that nobody else can smell?
Second one. Should I take the Roscoe?
Rather be itchy for the rest of your life or be sticky for the rest of your life? Itchy, because I hate the feeling of being sticky. It's disgusting.
Yeah.
It's like,
but then you would just want to be like scratchy, like AIDS.
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 You're like terrible. So thanks for watching. You've been
okay. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching this whole almost 30-minute video.
It's gonna shorten down to like 10 minutes.
Oh well, thanks for watching this 10-minute video.
Give this video a like
and subscribe and comment down below to win her giveaway.
Yeah, you have to get me to 500 subscribers.
Yeah, so give her a shout out.
Say bye.
Oh, bye.
Yeah.